inspiring individual, Mr. Pradeep Savalkar. He is a senior software engineer at Collins Aerospace, where he has contributed significantly to developing the advanced software solutions in the field of aviation and aerospace technology. Beyond his technical excellence, he is also an independent motivator, passionately guiding students and young professionals to unlock their true potential and achieve success in both personal and professional life. With his blend of technical expertise, leadership, and motivational spirit, Mr. Pradeep Savalkar continues to inspire many through his words and work. Please join me in welcoming the dynamic and inspiring Mr. Pradeep Savalkar sir with a big round of applause. Sorry, sir.
This will work?
Ah, it will be working, sir.
Okay, you can. Good afternoon, India. Respected today's chief guest, Shri Subhanshu Shukla ji, Gaganyatri, astronaut and group captain, and Dr. G. Satish Reddy, member, National Security Advisory Board, Government of India, honorary advisor to Andhra Pradesh, and former DRDO chairman, Shri Naresh Indian ji, founder, Kalam's Institute of Youth Excellence, and distinguished guest speakers, dignitaries, faculty members, teachers, principals, and the future aerospace and defense scientists. Good afternoon to all of you. Today, it is an honor to be here to celebrate 94th birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the Bharat Ratna, the missile man of India. My dear friends, everyone you know, today the day Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam born 15th October 1931 in Tamil Nadu, Rameshwaram. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam played a important key role in the development of the missile system, satellite system, nuclear programs, the commonly known as the missile man of India because of Agni missile and Prithvi missiles. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the legacy impacts the generation of scientists, millions of youth, and the millions of engineers. My dear friends, I feel proud to talk about the India's achievement in aerospace and defense sector. Make in India, made for India, supporting our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's vision, Atmanirbhar Bharat, Viksit Bharat, and Viksit Bharat. My dear friends, earlier India, it depends on other countries for missiles, aircrafts, and radars, communication systems, UAVs, and main battle tanks, and radars, drones, so naval systems. Now the India is Atmanirbhar Bharat in aerospace, Atmanirbhar Bharat in defense, Atmanirbhar Bharat in space. We have our indigenous developed fighter aircraft, LCA Tejas Mark 1A. It is a indigenous Indian single engine Delta Wing 4.5 generation multi-role combat aircraft designed by Defense Research and Development Organization and Aeronautical Development Agency and manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautical Limited for our armed forces, Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force. And Tejas Mark II, the Canard 4.5 generation multi-role combat aircraft designed and developed by ADA and DRDO and manufactured by HL for our armed forces, Indian Air Force. And we have our own 5th generation fighter aircraft. It is in developing stage. The MCA, we call the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft. And Rudra. And the ballistic missiles, Agni missile, Prithvi missile, Nag missile, Trishul missile, BrahMos missile, and Akash missile, because of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India, and Dr. G. Satish Reddy sir. This is what we have the technology. So now India have our own radar communication system. This is what the power of the India. My dear friends, defense is not just about missiles, aircrafts, and communication system, radars. It's about protecting our future, protecting our freedom, protecting our borders. This is what DRDO and ISRO. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is the visionary scientist of Defense Research and Development Organization, Indian Space Research Organization. Because of his contribution, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam always believes the youth. And Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam always say one word, dream, dream, dream. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ने बोलते रहते थे कि ड्रीम देखना है. कौन सा ड्रीम? आप डेली रात में सोते हो ना, वो वाला ड्रीम नहीं जो देखते हो. वो ड्रीम ऐसा होना चाहिए कि हमारा भारत देश को आगे लेके जाना चाहिए. ये वाला ड्रीम डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम बोलते रहते थे always. He always believes the youth of this nation. So this is the power of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So he will tell always, dream, dream, dream. Dream transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. I will tell you about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam joined DRDO, and later he moved in the Indian Space Research Organization, and he took the leadership of the project director of the satellite launch vehicle, and successfully we deployed the Rohini satellites on the orbit. This is the India's first satellite launch vehicle, SLV. He is the project director. And this is the what Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam served. I wanted to tell you, DRDO. What DRDO? DRDO established in 1958. So, what's the DRDO's technology? DRDO developed the design and development of the missiles, aircrafts, UAV, and the drones. And always, India is one of the fourth country in the world. We have the 4.5 generation to 5th generation fighter aircraft. India is one of the fourth country in the world. We have the DRDO's airborne early warning and control system. We call the Netra, eye in the sky. We all are listening here. We all are sitting because of our fighter aircraft, because of our armed forces. So I wish to everyone, you have to clap to our armed forces and our visionary scientists of this nation. This is what the DRDO is achieved. DRDO is one of the 5th country in the world. We have the ballistic missile, Agni missile, Prithvi missile, Nag missile, Trishul missile, because of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. DRDO is one of the 7th country in the world. We have the main battle tank, Arjun tank. And DRDO is one of the 4th country in the world. We have the anti-ballistic missiles technology. We call the Mission Shakti, under the leadership of Dr. G. Satish Reddy sir. Okay, the missile man of India. And if you look at the ISRO journey and ISRO's achievements, ISRO started in 15th August 1969. The founder of the ISRO, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, known as a Indian space, father of Indian space program. Under his leadership, ISRO started. Then India's first satellites, Aryabhatta satellites, 1975, we launched with other countries' rocket. We utilized Russia's Soviet Union. And later, ISRO achieved in 1980, Rohini satellites in the orbit. Then ISRO developed the PSLV, GSLV, ASLV rocket system. And 2008, this is the time Chandrayaan-1 mission, India's first lunar mission. And ISRO and India is one of the world's first country in the world. We discover the water molecules on the moon. This is the proud of our India. This is the proud of our nation. This is the proud of our Indian Space Research Organization and Indian Defense Research Organization. Because of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Dr. G. Satish Reddy, the visionary scientists of this nation. And the later 2013, the Mangalyaan mission. Everyone you remember? Mars orbiter mission. India became the Asia's first nation to reach the Mars orbit. And it is the cheapest mission in the world, less than a Hollywood film Gravity. Right? It is very less budget. We successfully reached on the Mars orbit mission. And 2019, Chandrayaan-2, partially success mission, we launched on the moon's south pole. And 23 August 2023, this is the time Chandrayaan-3 mission will happen. So India become the first country in the world to land the moon's south pole. This is what ISRO achieved starting from Aryabhata to moon, Chandrayaan to Mars orbit mission. And ISRO started its journey from bicycle to now we are reaching Mars orbit mission. Now we are reaching Chandrayaan. So, my dear friends, future is in your hands. India is in every sector, we are in number one. So, future in your hand. So, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam always believed in youth, and he served his entire life, he worked for inspiring the millions of youth, education system, and innovation of the science and technology. This is the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam vision. You can play the PPT. Next. Yeah. For your information, I initiated India's first aerospace and defense awareness campaign for government school to inspiring the young minds with the spirit of science, service, and Swadeshi excellence. This is under the banner, and this campaign was guided and supported by Dr. G. Satish Reddy sir. Next. This is my campaigning photos. I reached multiple government school in all over the country, different state. Next. Yeah, already I explained to you, starting from the father of Indian space program, Dr. Satish Dhawan, the father of fluids diagram, and Dr. G. Satish Reddy sir, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, Dr. Suri Bhagwantam, the Missile Women of India, Tessie Thomas, A.S. Kiran Kumar sir, and Somnath sir. These are the visionary scientists of the nation. Next. Yeah, already I told you India's ISRO journey from the Aryabhata to Chandrayaan to Mars. Next. Yeah, I think everyone aware about this is the India's the proud astronauts. One is in 1984 who reached India's first astronaut in the space, Rakesh Sharma. That time our Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi asked to Rakesh Sharma, हमारा भारत देश ऊपर से कैसा लगता है? Rakesh Sharma will tell, सारे जहां से अच्छा movement, right? And this is the Subhanshu Shukla, today's our chief guest, and similarly, and he is the first astronaut to reach the International Space Station, and this is our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji is converting with the Subhanshu Shukla. And this is the Gaganyaan, India's first space flight mission. Next. Yeah, this is the upcoming our ISRO's vision, India Space Station by 2035 and Indian astronaut on moon by 2040. Next. See, my dear friends, ISRO started from this journey from the bicycle to bullock carts to the moon lunar landing. and ISRO recognized for the global cost-effective innovation, inspiring the Indian youth, engineers and scientists. And India's journey from Aryabhatta to Gaganyaan is not just for a technological success, it is the success of the vision and pride Indian visionary scientist. Yeah. Next, 2 minutes. Next, my dear friends, previous, previous,
కూర్చోమనా మీ సర్టిఫికెట్స్ అన్ని డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్
previous slide.
సీట్లలో ఉంటేనే
Huh.
జరుగుతుంది అంతే కదా
Huh.
కార్ స్పీచ్ ఆపేస్తారు.
We are not just launching the rockets, we are launching an ecosystem of innovation, surveillance and opportunity. This is our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's world. Next. I made for my campaign, I made 5 categories of indigenous aircraft, completely handmade micro detailing aircraft for my aerospace and defense awareness campaign. Next. These are all the aircrafts I made. You can look at the outside, one stall is there. You can able to see all the detailing, micro detailing aircraft. Next. Next. Yeah, this is the, in the 2018, DRDO celebrated the 60th years in the service of the nation. So, Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, Digital India, Swachh Bharat, and what DRDO has achieved last 67th years. Next. 2 minutes. Finish. The LCA Tejas aircraft I made with micro detailing. Next. LCA Tejas Mark II aircraft, 4.5 generation Delta Wing aircraft. Next. Advanced medium combat aircraft, 5th generation fighter aircraft. Next. This is the Netra ANWC aircraft, eye in the sky. This aircraft can be used to detect, track and classification and identification of the enemy's targets, sea surface targets, and also it is detect the ballistic missiles. Next. This is the Rudra Mark III. Next. Airbus C295 military transport aircraft. Next. We'll finish. Next. Next. Yeah, this is what Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam will believe. Dream, dream, dream. Okay, future in your hands. So you have to carry this nation in next level. My one sincere request to everyone to carry this nation to the next level. Okay. So, yeah, next. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. And thank you for the Kalam. Yeah. Thank you, the Kalam's Institute of Youth Excellency and Dr. G. Satish Reddy, my guru and mentor, for giving this opportunity. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring and enlightening speech, sir.